Alright guys, so we're going to do the 500 subscriber giveaway. I have the website up, gonna put the link in, filter duplicate users. $105 unique commenters. Go ahead and hit start. Wow, Outpost 76. Alright, so Outpost 76 is going to get the knife. And let's go ahead and pick another winner. PT. PT is going to get the strap. So it almost kind of feels rigged, that Outpost 76 won, because the package right here is from Gerald. He just literally sent that M390 Delica back to me and another knife to test, and that's pretty crazy. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, I guess maybe it's fate, but whatever. So Gerald, hit me up. You're gonna get the knife. PT, hit me up. You're gonna get the strap. PT, let me know what kind of leather you want on the strap and what kind of compound you want on the strap, or if you just want it bare. And I'll get it out to you guys as soon as possible. Got the knife here, and I have a strap blank here. I need to make a couple of these anyways, that I sold. This is just like my like my jig that I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of these, and make an extra one for PT. And let's go ahead and let me close this for now, and we'll go ahead and open this up. I still can't believe that it was Gerald that won it. I mean, I guess when there's only 105 people, you have 1 in 100 chance of winning, so those are pretty good chances. So I know this is my Delica. And Gerald has had this for quite a while. Still got a good edge on it. Feels crispy. The action is nice on it. Feels much less stiff than what I remember. Cool. I'm excited to have this little guy back. It's a nice little knife. Alright, and then the knife that Gerald sent me. You could tell this was HRC tested. This is the Nitro V. I think this is a Perpetua. It feels almost like a Griptilian hybrid with a Chris Reeves in single blade. Like, my Large & Cosi Insingo blade has like the same kind of, you know, swoop, like that modified sheep's foot look, the same kind of like parrot mouth tip, but obviously like the Benchmade axis lock. And thumb studs that are just like actually a little bit less like the Griptilian and more like the Hogue RSK Mark II, kind of in between that. And it looks like they machine the axis lock and the thumb stud the same. It's like the same kind of button. It's very similar. I like that. It has a really smooth action, but the button feels a little bit more stiff. Like when you go to pull it, the spring feels good. There's really no lateral movement. There's just your vertical movement. A little bit of blade play, but I'm sure the action, you know, it kind of makes up for it. So nice little knife. I still can't get over that. But, you know, I can't think of a more deserving winner than Gerald. You know, he literally was the first person to ever put my name out there. So, you know, I guess if there is such thing as destiny, it feels like that was it. The Delica was HRC tested. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on it. See those two dimples? And I believe this tested somewhere around like 62 HRC, maybe like 62 and change, which seems to be the sweet spot for M390, like somewhere between 62 and 63. 63, I think it is probably the best edge retention that anybody's seen out of Spyderco knives. I think 62.9, like right around there. I'm not really one to stay like up on the game with the HRC testing. I kind of just do the sharpening and you know, some knife making here and there and just like fooling around. I'm not as, you know, as scientific or as like dedicated with, you know, with HRC testing and sending my stuff to Kurt, but a lot of the guys are, and it's guys like Gerald who I'm thankful for that we get this data, so that's pretty cool. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this one. So congratulations to Gerald and PT, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for the massive comment spread that I got. A lot of, you know, I was looking at like the people who are subscribed, and so many of them were, you know, 10, 11 month guys, like guys who've been there since pretty much the start of the channel, or since I started making videos for the channel. And I feel really fortunate to have all the subscribers that I have, and you know, so many cool people that I've met along the way. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later.